By the late 1960s, both Volkswagen and Porsche were seeking to develop new models. Porsche needed a replacement for its entry-level 912, while Volkswagen wanted a flagship sports coupé to succeed the Volkswagen Type 34 Karmann gear. At the time, Porsche handled much of Volkswagen's development work under an agreement dating back to Porsche's founding. To fulfill the terms of this agreement, Volkswagen commissioned Porsche to develop the 914. Ferdinand Peitsch, head of Porsche's research and development, oversaw the project. In 1966 and 1967, German design firm Gugelot Design GmbH presented a sports coupe concept developed with Bayer to various automakers, including Volkswagen and Porsche. Some sources suggest this design influenced the 914, as it could bridge the aesthetic gap between the two companies. However, later accounts dispute this, crediting Porsche's in-house team, led by body engineer Heinrich Klee, for the 914's design. A joint venture. Initially, the plan was to sell the 914 with a flat 4-cylinder engine as a Volkswagen and a flat 6-cylinder engine as a Porsche. However, Porsche later persuaded Volkswagen to allow both versions to be marketed as Porsches in North America, fearing market confusion. On March 1, 1968, the first 914 prototype was revealed. However, the project faced challenges following the death of Volkswagen chairman Heinrich Nordhoff on April 12, 1968. His successor, Kurt Lotz, lacked ties to the Porsche family and refused to honor the company's verbal agreement. Lotz argued that Volkswagen owned full rights to the model and demanded Porsche share tooling expenses. This disagreement significantly increased production costs, causing the 914 sixths to be priced close to Porsche's 911T, undermining its market positioning. Production and reception. The Porsche 914 debuted to critical acclaim and was named Motor Trend's * Import Car of the Year in 1970. Despite this, slow sales and rising costs led Porsche to discontinue the 6-cylinder 914 sixths in 1972 after producing only 3,351 units. Production of the 914 ended in 1976. The flat 4-cylinder engine from the 914 lived on in the 912e, introduced in 1976 as an entry-level model until the front-engine Porsche 924 debuted the following year. Despite its challenges, the 914 Cortez became Porsche's best-selling model during its run, with over 118,000 units sold worldwide, far surpassing sales of the 911.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.